Hi Arrow, this is Dave Stubbs calling from Neutron Controls. We're showing off the BEVOP case for BMS. Let's take a look at this right here. So what you have is the Oryx. This is a TC399 from Infineon, top of the line Oryx for functional safety. This has a hypersonic power management chip in it that performs the functional safety watchdog for power. It has a TLE 9015, which is an ISO UART control that communicates with the analog front ends, the TLE 9012s. Each one of these front ends are connected, can be connected up to 48 volts, and you could do up to 200 volts off this single board. This is a development environment for software designers that want to start working on a production BMS platform. As you can see here, we have one connector going across to 12 cells here of lithium ion 18650 cells. This is 48 volts. What you have here in the full case, so we have active batteries, active controls. Here we have a Microsoft tablet. I'm going to fire up the application that you're going to be demoing to your customers. So this is full tracking of the batteries. We'll go to start monitoring. This is connected up to a CAN bus connector. As you can see on this side, so this, we've only gone with a single rack of 12 batteries. Here we'd normally go with 2 racks, but it's a lot easier to demonstrate with 12. So here it is full. Back over here, we have a PSOC HVPA, and that's for current sense. That's also from Infineon. So I'll go with this. So if we want to charge the batteries, there's a contactor in here. We call it a charging relay. You can hear the click. This is a contactor that would be used in an automotive setting. And the lights turn green and your batteries are charging. So if you want to shut this off, so open all relays or contactors, everything is open. Then we want to discharge the batteries. So this clicks into blue, and then this load is set to 4.4 amps, and it's drawing energy out of the battery. So if you left this long enough, you could see the levels on the right here of the battery starting to drop. So that's the effect that you're showing the customer. We open them up again, and then whatever power we dissipated, we go into charge mode here. That'll turn green again, and we have a charger built underneath the rack here, and we're basically charging up the batteries. So this is a fully self-contained BMS development system that you can demonstrate to your customers. Thanks very much. NeutronControls.com. Have a great day.